In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight every other row in Excel. Start by opening Excel and navigating to the worksheet that contains your data. Click and drag to select the specific table or range you want to format. The conditional formatting rule we're about to create only applies to the cells you select, so include all the columns and rows you want shaded. If you have a header row that you prefer not to highlight, make sure to leave it out of the selection. This works whether your data is a normal range or an Excel table. With your cells selected, go to the Home tab and choose Conditional Formatting. From the menu, click New Rule. In the dialog that appears, select the option labeled User Formula to determine which cells to format. This tells Excel that we'll provide a custom rule that decides when to apply the formatting. In the formula box, type exactly ISO DD row. Don't forget the equal sign at the beginning. Here's what's happening. Row 0 returns the row number for each cell, and SODs checks whether that number is odd. When the formula evaluates to true, Excel applies the format. That means every odd-numbered row in your selection will be highlighted, creating a clear alternating pattern that makes your data easier to read. If you ever want the opposite pattern, the same idea works with checking for even rows instead. Now let's choose the look of the highlight. Click the Format button. In the Format Cells window, go to the Fill tab and pick a light, readable color. Something subtle, like a soft gray or pale blue, works well so your text remains legible. You can also adjust font or border options if you like, but a gentle fill is usually all you need for banded rows. When you're satisfied with the preview, click OK to confirm your formatting choice. Back in the Rule window, confirm to apply the rule to your selected range. You should immediately see every other row shaded. If the color feels too strong or too light, you can return to Conditional Formatting, manage your rule, and tweak the format without changing the formula. Because the rule relies on the row number, you don't need any $signs or special references. Excel handles it for the entire selection. And if you insert or delete rows within the range, the alternating pattern will automatically stay consistent. If your selection is an Excel table, the formatting will also carry down to any new rows you add. That's it. An easy, reliable way to highlight every other row in Excel using conditional formatting.